Hello girls and boys, welcome to Sri Lankan Food Made Easy. I just thought after a long time, I just thought I'm going to make a easy recipe for you because everyone's busy nowadays, working from home, children goes to school. When they come home, easily you can cook something, one pot dish actually. This is one pot dish. These are the ingredients I am using. 200 grams of chicken, 150 grams of couscous here, and then I have bell pepper, green, red, orange, yellow, and onion as well, cut into small thin slices actually, and then 1.5 tea salt, and then 1 tea pepper, small piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoonfuls of soya sauce. I sometimes add a little bit of oregano, it's optional, you can add it if you like. So that's all ingredients we need. Very quickly we can put together this dish. I need boiling water as well to make couscous. I'll show you how to do it. And I'm using stock cubes, vegetable or chicken stock cubes, organic one I bought. These are the vegetable stock cube. You can use chicken stock cube if you have. These are organic one. I use organic, but whatever you like, you can use it. I got one stock cube, vegetable stock cube. I don't have a chicken stock cube today, but it's okay. I'm just going to dissolve this one in just a bit of water, boiling water. And I'm adding some salt to the couscous. I'm just adding 1.5 teaspoonful of salt for this couscous, and adding vegetable stock as well. Yeah, just a little bit like that. Not too much water. Now I'm going to cover this one for 5 minutes and just leave it until it's cooked properly. I'm just going to switch on the cooker. Add my oil. Add a bit of mustard seed. Stir it. Now I'm adding my onion. Stir it a bit until it's fried. Now I'm adding my chicken. Stir it. You'll have to cook this chicken at least 20 minutes. Medium heat. I just roast it and just let it fry a bit. Chicken is cooked now. I'm going to add all my vegetables. The peppers, together. After I add vegetables, I don't cook that much long because it's nice to have a crunchy vegetable. Add a bit of salt, the vegetable, 1 teaspoonful of pepper. I'm not adding that much. If you would like to add 1.5, you can add it. I'm adding my soya sauce. And then I'm adding my oregano, piece of oregano. It's just a little bit soft. After 3 minutes, I'm adding my couscous now.